Hello guys, today we are at BMW World in Munich where we will see some motorbikes here on display, the latest models from BMW, so stay tuned and have a walk with me. And this here is the R1800 Classic. It has a two-cylinder boxer engine with 2 by 900 cc cylinders, which are huge. And here on the side are little bikes that are really racing and sporty. And back to the classic cruiser bikes. This one is the R18B, and it has some full fairing nice leather seats, and this huge dashboard on the front, which is really nice looking actually. Oh, one of my favorites. This is the R1250. It's an adventure bike with a lot of for storage, but we are not allowed to touch it. And now for some other GS bikes. This is the, I think, 850, and they are really nice livery with some really sporty colors. Part of the bikes are on another terrace or level, so we have to pass through this huge bridge, inside bridge, and there are pretty nice cars here as well that can be seen, but we'll not look at the cars too much, maybe in another video. Look at this baby, the R18 Transcontinental. It's a tourist cruiser classic bike with huge panniers on the back, top case with integrated backrest for the rear passenger. It looks really comfortable. And now my favorite bike of the lot. This is the K1600, I think GT model, which has something like a huge dashboard, a lot of options for storage, very modern looking, very nice, very quiet engine. This bike can be used to travel for 1000 miles on a day without breaking a sweat. So it has, I think it even has some audio and heated grip seats. It's the direct competitor to the Honda Goldwing. And this here is a scooter. Yeah, BMW sell a lot of scooters. This is the C400X, something like an adventure scooter. It looks pretty boring to me, but here it is. I don't know why I filmed that. And last but not least, this is the C1 electric scooter from BMW. It's very futuristic looking, it has these panels which are really interesting, and it looks really long with belt drive on the back. Yeah, actually a lot of BMW motorcycles used to have belt drive, maybe they still do, and it's really nice, really good looking scooter that I will probably really like to ride someday and maybe own. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with friends. Peace. See ya.